Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portrait using the grid method. First, gather your materials: a clear reference photo, a ruler, a pencil, and your drawing paper. The grid method is a fantastic technique for artists of all levels, helping you break down complex images into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach ensures your final portrait maintains accurate proportions and feature placement, making the drawing process much less daunting. Now, let's prepare your reference. Using your ruler and pencil, draw a grid directly onto your chosen portrait photo. Make sure these squares are uniform, for example, 1 inch by 1 inch. Next, replicate this exact same grid onto your drawing paper. It's crucial that the number of squares and their relative proportions match perfectly between your reference and your drawing surface for the best results. With your grids in place, it's time to start drawing. Pick a square on your reference photo and focus solely on the lines and shapes within that single square. Then, carefully copy only those elements into the corresponding square on your drawing paper. Work methodically, square by square, constantly comparing your progress to the reference. This focused approach helps you accurately transfer the image without feeling overwhelmed by the entire portrait. Once you've transferred all the essential lines and shapes, gently erase your grid lines. Now, the real artistry begins. Start adding details, refining contours, and building up shading and textures to give your portrait depth and realism. Take your time with this stage, observing how light and shadow play across the face. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for those interested in improving their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.